transmitted at the request of the Jefferson City Police Department. At 12:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, the people exposed to the smoke cloud created by a chemical explosion, food, coughing, vomiting, bleeding from the eyes or nose, pain in the joints or muscles, and uncontrollable sweating.
Here comes Tundra, toughest thing on four wheels, producing more standard V8 torque than any other truck in its class. Yet it's very gentle on those crash test dummies. Tundra got the best results of any large pickup ever tested by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. So it's got the rugged power to impress Dad and the safety record to impress Mom.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Jefferson City Police Department. At 12:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, the people exposed to the smoke cloud created by a chemical explosion were reported to have fallen unconscious. The cloud has caused civilians to exhibit symptoms before falling over. The symptoms of this cloud include coughing, vomiting, bleeding from the eyes or nose, pain in the joints or muscles, and uncontrollable sweating. The victims will then become dizzy and collapse. Civilians are advised to stay indoors and to lock all doors and windows. So far, the smoke cloud has affected 200 people within the last 2 hours. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available.
Cranky must be having the time of his life right now.
Maybe, did he? More like he's relaxing and hating every minute of it.
No one to grouch.
You guessed it, little.
So, what do you want to do today, DK?
Transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Emergency Management Agency, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Sioux Falls residents west of Interstate 29 must stop water usage immediately. Please stop flushing toilets, washing clothes, and using showers. Only use water for drinking purposes. Water does not need to be boiled. Discontinue all other uses of water. There is an issue with the sanitary sewer system, which may cause sewer backups in the affected area. Potential sewer backups will occur from an area bounded to the north, from the North Minnesota Avenue water plant to the south by 26th Street. The eastern boundary is along Minnesota Avenue, and the western boundary along Western Avenue. Residents in the affected area should work to move critical items from their basements to higher elevations until Public Works can fix the problem. In addition, sanitary sewage is being discharged into the Big Sioux River south of West 12th Street. Residents should stay out of the Big Sioux River and parks adjacent to the river, including bike trails. Discharges into Cavell Lake and overland north of Falls Park are also occurring. Residents are advised to stay out of these areas.
Date with Candy. How could you pass on something like this?
I wanna go when it's all.
Pondeur qui décoiffe même les brushings, Parker Lewis, suivi de l'intrépide, échevelé, chevelu, Hercule Contreras. Et nous terminerons avec la série qui défrise de rire les moutons, Conlisa.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Emergency issue with the sanitary